What is a soothing gel? It moisturizes, firm, and brighten your skin. What are the benefits of soothing gel? Treat dry skin, helps with sun-damaged skin, heal irritated skin, reduces appearance of enlarged pores, helps promote plump skin, and smoothen skin texture. Luxe Organix Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. It has arginine that promotes production of collagen, Chamomile Extract that reduces redness and irritation, and Centella asiatica that soothes and heals skin irritation. Luxe Organix Aloe Vera and Snail Soothing Gel. It has Hyaluronic Acid that increases skin moisture, collagen that improves skin elasticity, and arbutin that fades hyperpigmentation. Luxe Organix Rose Water Soothing Gel. It has niacinamide that improves skin texture, hyaluronic acid that increases skin moisture, and galactomyces that shrink pore size. Luxe Organix Cica Soothing Gel. It has Centella asiatica extract that soothes and heals damaged skin, Madecassoside that improves skin hydration, and calendula extracts that stimulate collagen production. Luxe Organix Hyaluron Soothing Gel. It has hyaluronic acid that increases skin moisture, Pantothenic Acid that helps keep skin soft, ceramide that prevent dryness and irritation. All these soothing gels are alcohol-free, paraben-free, and made in Korea. Remember, it will moisture, firm, and brighten your skin. Thank you for watching. Till next time.